Few days back I had asked in my community section which video you actually want me to make for you all, which video should be next. There is a tie between manifestation of love back and manifestation of money. According to me, I have chosen manifestation of money. Okay, this is really important for many people. So I am actually going to share my technique, what I use actually in manifestation of money, what technique I use, and it is actually helping me out. What I feel is actually really very effective. I only share that, and it will actually help you out too. First of all, guys, when you are trying to manifest anything in your life, it can be a love back, it can be trying to manifest money, it can be anything, a car, a job, a new house. First of all, we need to have these 2 points in our mindset. First, we do not have to be jealous of others. If we are trying to manifest money, you see similar, some people manifesting the similar things and they are very much successful in manifesting. We do not have to focus on that emotion of jealousy. What is jealousy? Jealousy means you have a lack frequency that they have, you do not have. So we do not have to focus on jealousy, rather we have to be happy for them so that we can focus on the success emotion. Okay, they are successful. Now here we are actually focusing on the success emotion, and that will come in abundance. Because universe is always, whatever you are feeling, it is all about feeling. It is, it is all about emotion. Whatever our emotion, the universe will say, yes, you are right, and I am gonna give you in abundance. So yes, first of all, we need to actually focus on the success. If some other person is actually getting success in what you are desiring, you have to be happy. Second is, we do not have to feel victim that okay, I do not get anything I want in my life. The universe is not giving me whatever I desire. No, it doesn't happen. First of all, it may happen that we are waiting for the desire. So wait is getting manifested. It is very tricky. Very tricky. The universe is really very tricky. We have to feel the emotion of abundance of money if we want to manifest money, first of all, or anything we desire. Okay, these 2 points are really basic, that we do not have to get jealous of others, rather we have to be happy for their success. Second, we do not have to play victim that we do not have this. The universe is very unbiased. It is going to say, okay, you are right, I'm actually gonna give that in abundance. Okay, these 2 points. Now I am actually going to share an affirmation which is very much effective in my life. Okay? And this is actually helping me out every day. At least 1 page I write, every day I earn money. Thank you, universe. I do not mention any amount, just opening the portal of the energy of the money, opening the portal from everywhere. I just write this single affirmation. Thank you, universe. I am earning money every day. I am not saying that you only use this affirmation, but whatever you use should be positive. Okay, I use thank you, universe. I am actually earning money every day, and this actually helps me out. How? I have a brand named Silai. It is an ethnic women's wear brand. I earn through that. I am giving law of attraction coaching too. Okay, and yes, when the universe is providing you opportunity, a good opportunity, you have to be loyal and sincere in your work too, so that more abundance of money can come. Okay, even if you are not earning money, you do not have right now job, and you are manifesting job, I can say the core and the deep thing you want to manifest is money. So only use this phrase, thank you, universe, I am earning every day, and the universe is going to make opportunities for you so that you can take action upon and earn money. Okay, so what I said, you need to practice this in your everyday life. Fit this in your mindset. 2 points. First is, you do not have to get jealous of anyone who is getting success in the similar desires. You would rather have to be happy for them. Second is, you do not have to play victim that you do not get anything. Then universe will be like, yes, you are right, I am going to give that emotion in abundance. I am going to create that situation that you will feel that you do not get anything. We do not have to play victim. This is why always we have to be grateful for everything we have right now, and we have to celebrate others' success. And we have to always write one affirmation every day for at least one page. Thank you, universe, I am earning money every day. And this is actually going to help you out. Even if you do not have right now the job, universe will get you the opportunity so you can act upon and earn money. Okay, I hope I have made you clear, guys, and stay safe. Thank you.